is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. This is a 12 Days of Christmas DIYs. Our hosts are Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY and Jackie from Crafting with Mimi's World. Please check out their channels and the amazing playlist. Okay, let's do the nose of our gingerbread. And I just make a little circle. And if you think it's just too red, you can add a little brown to it. And I try to make their eyes really oval. And then you can't forget your little red cheeks. And you do as much of the red as you like, or as little. Then I like to come up around and do it around his nose, and then a smile. And then you can either use a little rickrack or you can use a white paint pen and just do. Sometimes I like to add a little bit of hair. Okay, we're gonna just base paint. This is honey brown. This is a color I use for gingies. And I normally give this a couple coats. And I won't make you suffer through watching me do 2 coats on our ornament. But you want to get it good and covered. And if you want the top of the ornament to be a different color, or you could even get the cookie trays at the Dollar Tree and cut it out in that shape to make it silver if you wanted, or paint it silver. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do it all the same. And a dot in the eye. Okay, we got to work on a hanger for this. And I'm going to just use our twine. I'm going to just tie a knot in the end. And of course, you know I like my big bows. So I'm going to add a big pink bow right up here. And you can take these loops and glue it so it's kind of over to the side so you can still see your face. Here is our gingerbread ornament. Hope you liked it. It's very simple.